Hi, welcome to Brainybuzz. This is Premvada and we are going through the JavaScript tutorials. So far we have seen the functions and events. So today we'll see the error handling. There are some times in our code writing that an error can occur, like your different errors, like your syntax error, your runtime error, your logical error. Sometimes you forget to define some variables or some functions, or divide by zero can be there. So how to handle these errors, you'll see over here. So there are 4 blocks that will be used for the error handling. The try block, it's like statements to be tested. In whatever statements you feel that an error can occur, those statements you put within the try block. And after that, whatever error occurs in this try block, you handle them in the catch. Like whenever if you want to display the error message, like that. And the finally is the block that in which you keep the statements that should always be executed, like whether an error has occurred or not, or whether your try statements is executed or not, but it finally will always execute. Another thing, you have the throw statement. It will be used to create the custom errors. So let's see the demo for it. It's like I have already written a program. In the try block, we have written the save method, item saved. So it's like we haven't defined any method save anywhere. So I can write a okay. So it's like whenever you execute this, it will give an error because your save is not defined. So if you catch your error has occurred in this try statement, so your catch will be executed and then error will be displayed. In this you have the error message over here, and in the final block it will be always executed. So let's just see the demo for this. So now you can see the error undefined. That means there is something that you haven't undefined and your finally block is executed. That means you've seen that your finally block is executed whether there is an error or not. So sometimes this error can occur, but there are other places, like I have declared a variable a is equals to 10 and b equal to 0 over here. So I just want to check, like if b equal 0, throw will be cannot divide by 0, or if your b is not equal to 0, then your another will be executed. So now here you do not have to write the message thing because you are already throwing a message. In throw you are already displaying a message over here, so you just need to write the ex. So let's save it and refresh it. So you can see the error message cannot divide by 0 and your finally block will be executed. So let's change it so that you can get the idea that it has changed. Save it and so you can see cannot divide by 0 and then your finally block will be executed. So like this you can use the throw statement whenever you want to display the custom message. After that you have the onerror. This event is fired on window object whenever an error occurs on a page. That means sometimes your error will occur. So at that time what you will write is So for the on error, you can just remove these things. You can just write as window dot on error. So let's copy paste it from here only. Okay, so now you can see that if the error will occur, it will show the message. So let's as no error will be occurred, so it haven't shown anything because there is no error. But so now you can see that I have placed the on error message over here, and I have placed it. I have called a function save from the on click of the button, but the save is not defined anywhere, and I have used the on error method of the window. So what it will do, let's run it. So if I click on the function, that way it should call the save function, but you can see that the uncaught reference error save is not defined, and after that it will give the URL where your page is, and it will give the line number. That means where it has occurred. So your line is 14th. You can see the line number is 14th, and here your error has occurred. So that you can just check whether your error has occurred and you can rectify that error. So this was your exception handling, or you can say the error handling in your JavaScript. Thanks and have a nice day.